Hi, today we talk about how to delete your Instagram account. So for deleting your Instagram account, what you need to do, open Instagram app on your mobile phone. Once you open Instagram app on your mobile phone, then here at the bottom right corner, you have your profile button. Click on it. Once you click on your profile button, then this type of profile page will appear on your screen. Here at the top right corner, you have this main menu button. Click on it. Then settings and activity page will appear. Here you have account center. Go there. Then here in account settings, you have personal details option. Click on it. Then personal details page will appear. Here you have account ownership and control button. Go there. Once you are here, then click on deactivation or deletion. Here what you need to do, choose that account which you want to deactivate or delete. Once you do this, then this type of page will appear. Here you have delete account button. Click on it and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, then you need to provide your Instagram account password and then your account will be deleted. So this is the way you can delete your Instagram account. Thanks for watching.